welcome to our SlowPottery studio. Today we'll be showing you how to set up a pottery studio at your home with absolute basic tools and equipment. You'll find all the details on where to find them on our blog post. Let's get started with the throwing station. So here's what you need. Firstly, clay, 25 to 50 kgs of the type of your preference. A Shimpo potter's wheel. This is a great beginner's wheel to start with. A Shimpo adjustable stool to go with it. Basic tools for throwing, which you get as a tool set when you buy online. A set of bats. A side stool to keep your clay or tools. A basic bowl for water. A hand towel and an apron. Make sure your wheel area is beside an electrical point. Next are your tools for wedging or preparing clay and hand building. A wedging table made with water-resistant wood. Make sure it can take a lot of pounding. A weighing machine. A scraper on the side to clean out your table. A banding wheel for hand building. Cue sticks and a slab builder. Some plastic bags that can be reused for storing your clay or covering pots. Newspapers. Lastly, this is what you need to recycle and store clay. Buy a set of 3 buckets with lids, one for ready clay right out of your packet, one for slurry or watered down clay that you get in your water bowl at the end of the day, one for your dry clay bits. Also, along with this, buy a hammer to pound your dry bits of clay. A few mugs that will always come in handy. So there you go, that's all you need to set up your very own pottery studio at home. Hope you found it helpful. If you think we missed out on anything, do let us know in the comment section below. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.